Good day. I trust that you're keeping well. The purpose of this video communication is to update you on the outcome of the recent court case between Accelerated Christian Education South Africa, the South African Qualifications Authority, and Umalusi. As you are aware from our previous communication, Accelerated Christian Education, after consultation with Umalusi, decided not to seek re-registration of the School of Tomorrow College Entrance Certificate. What this meant was that a teach-out phase for this qualification was triggered, and that teach-out phase will end on the 30th of June 2019. In December 2016, it came to the attention of Accelerated Christian Education South Africa that the South African Qualifications Authority was incorrectly advising potential employers and other parties that the School of Tomorrow College Entrance Certificate was invalid. Accelerated Christian Education South Africa engaged with both Umalusi and the South African Qualifications Authority to rectify this misinformation. Unfortunately, the attempts to find solutions to the problem were unsuccessful, and this left Accelerated Christian Education South Africa with no alternative but to turn to the courts for resolution. On the 17th of October 2017, judgment was handed down in this matter, and we are thankful to the Lord to report that Accelerated Christian Education South Africa won the case. So what are the specific implications for schools offering the School of Tomorrow College Entrance Certificate, or for graduates that have already achieved that, or students that perhaps are currently working on achieving the College Entrance Certificate by the 30th of June 2019? Well, there's several points that I would like to make. The first point is that the qualification awarded by Accelerated Christian Education South Africa is declared a valid qualification registered with the South African Qualifications Authority on the National Qualification Framework, as has been the case for the last 17 years. Secondly, the qualification that we have offered in the past is a qualification that has passed its end date. That is, the last date for enrollments to obtain the qualification was the 30th of June 2016, and the last date that a student can complete this qualification will be the 30th of June 2019. Thirdly, the South African Qualifications Authority is interdicted and restrained from informing the public anything different than what is provided for in the first 2 points that have been mentioned. The fourth point that I'd like to make is that the College Entrance Certificate issued by Accelerated Christian Education will enjoy legacy status into the future. So what does this mean? It means that the qualification will remain valid for all students who achieved the qualification prior to the cutoff date of 30th of June 2019. I'd like to make one further point, and that is what happens to students who are currently studying towards the College Entrance Certificate and may achieve that beyond the 30th of June 2019. Well, the College Entrance Certificate will still be issued by Accelerated Christian Education beyond 2019. However, it will not be registered on the National Qualifications Framework. This means that in order to apply for access to a tertiary institution and be considered for tertiary studies, the student would need to complete the College Entrance Certificate and then do the General Education Diploma, GED, which will open the door for them to apply for those studies at tertiary institutions in South Africa and also globally. On behalf of Accelerated Christian Education South Africa and Accelerated Education Enterprises, we would like to thank you for your ongoing support and your prayer support during this time. We're excited about the future, and if you'd like to get any clarification on anything that has been shared in this video or on any other graduation options available to schools, I invite you to make contact with our Director of the Policy Unit here at Accelerated Education Enterprises, Mr. Mandla Mthembu. His contact details are on the screen right now, and he will be available to assist you should you need to clarify any aspects. Once again, we appreciate your support and prayer, and we look forward to what God has in store for us as we move forward from here. God bless you.